Hey guys, this is Stacy from Easy Acupuncture School. Today I'm going to briefly talk about a lecture series that I'm starting up. Here, let me just give you example of my street creds or what my street creds are. Not an example, but I'm Stacy Hewitt for anyone that hasn't watched my lecture series before or any of my lectures. I'm a licensed acupuncturist and a licensed massage therapist. I've been a full-time acupuncturist for 13 years, and I've taught acupuncture for 7. Here's my acupuncture content, or not content, sorry, my acupuncture YouTube channel information. At the bottom, there's an email address. If you want to join up for my newsletter, I don't send you any kind of promotional stuff, nothing like Dr. Popper's made magic baby formula advertisements or anything like that. It's just for you to get access to some of the written content that I have for these lectures, as well as getting information about uh, any releases of classes or new content. So anyway, guys, if you've seen me before, you know that I'm all about taking the mystical and making it practical. What we're going to do with this new lecture series is they're going to be smaller lectures that are about acupuncture tips. For example, like cupping, TDP lamps. I'm going to talk about Shoni Shin, which is a pediatric form of way of working with kids with Chinese medicine. We'll talk about different acupuncture styles. So I've got a lot of stuff coming down the pipe. One of the things, the very first thing I'm going to release is going to be a lecture about how not to get burned out as an acupuncturist. I saw a post about that recently, and it saddened me that somebody was feeling burned out by being an acupuncturist. So I'm going to talk about that. That's a little less concrete than how to use a TDP lamp or how to cup. But anyway, I look forward for you to joining me on this new lecture series. And I apologize about the background. I usually do this in my office, but my carpets are getting clean today. So I'm here at my home office. But anyway, look forward for you to check these out. You don't have to watch these in order, like the other lessons that I had, which were kind of like watch this one and this one and this one and this one in that order because they built in the last lecture series, everything kind of built on each other. Whereas this stuff, you can just look through the subjects and whatever is interesting to you, watch. You don't have to watch it in any order. So, all right, ciao, guys.